Hi everybody, Jody here. Today I have some more letters. Okay, so today I have a letter, and this is on this day, on October 2, 1951. It is a Monday at 1:15 in the afternoon. This is from a Corporal James Hurd. It looks like Hurd, and Fort Bragg, North Carolina. And this is what the stationery looks like. And the stationery is from Fort Bragg, which is really interesting. Turn of the century, mid-century modern. I did take a brief reading through this. They talk about having surgery. Ew. I don't know how people do it without the blood in the guts. I sure wouldn't be able to do it. Ooh, that sun is in my face. But it's a really pretty day out. It's been like the perfect weekend. Perfect for all that fall kind of stuff. I hope all of you are having a really nice fall time. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we have. Okay. Now, this is written to Barbara, a Miss Barbara in Memphis, Tennessee. And so he's in North Carolina. And I've seen Miss Barbara have some other letters from other servicemen too. So this should be interesting. I kind of want to look it up and see, like, who did Barbara end up marrying? Was it James or was it someone else? Okay, here we go. And it's really short. And it's kind of hard to read with all the font and stuff, so we'll see how it goes. My dearest darling, this will be very short, for I'm about to be taken into the surgical room in the orthopedic clinic. My poor knee is about to catch hell from all sides. Ew. Ooh. I think I would just want to get that surgery like over with, and it's 1:15, so he's been waiting like half the day. They probably won't let him eat, and all he's doing is sitting there thinking about Barbara and surgery. There's some old men in here painting and trying to talk at the same time. They sound like they're from way back in the country. Oh, that's funny. Way back in the country. One of them just gave me a weed, so he called it. He just told me he was from Tennessee. Oh boy, that's luck. Oh yeah, so he's from Tennessee too, probably where James is also from, where he met Barbara. That's kind of funny how that works, and maybe that's just kind of like meant to be. Sometimes weird things happen like that. I hope, like hell, you can read this, as I can hardly see what I'm writing. Beautiful. I won't tell you that there is only one of two ways to get me from you, and that's for me to get killed. That's not funny. Why does everybody keep joking around about this? That's really not funny. Or you to get married to someone else. The nurses just came in and said they were ready for me. I'll see you and try to write again tonight if I feel like it. All my love, Jimmy. Oh, that's nice. So he's going into knee surgery, and this is 1951. That's quite a long time ago. What is that, about 70 years ago or so? 71. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you like my letters, just make sure to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think, and if there's an area that you would like me to find some goodies to read from your areas, let me know, and I'll try to find those for you. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Bye.